Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number 11, triangles and quadrilaters. Okay, my topic is today kite. Okay, today we will learn about kite. In kite ABCD, this is the shape of a kite. Okay, this is the shape of kite ABCD. This is the shape of a kite. In kite ABCD, this is the shape of kite ABCD. Two pairs of sides are equal. Means AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. Then each pair of equal sides is adjacent. Each pair of equal sides is adjacent. Means here AB is equal to AD and both the sides are adjacent to each other. दोनों sides क्या हैं? साथ साथ हैं. Adjacent means साथ साथ हैं वो. Okay? Both the sides are adjacent. Each and BC is equal to CD and BC is adjacent to CD or DC. We can say each pair of equal sides is adjacent. A kite is a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. AB is adjacent to here is AD and both sides are equal. Similarly here BC is equal to DC and both these sides are adjacent to each other. Okay, we can say कि a kite is a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. This is about kite. Now let's learn about properties of kite. Properties of a kite. In kite ABCD, angles between unequal sides are equal. Here this AB and BC are not equal. These are AB and BC are unequal sides and angle here, this angle B. This is the angle between two unequal sides. And AD is not equal to DC. AD and DC are unequal sides. So, their angle D means angles between unequal sides are equal. So we can say angle B will be is equal to angle D. Both the angles between unequal sides will be equal. Angle B will be is equal to angle D. Then diagonals meet at a right angle and one of the diagonal bisects the other. Diagonals meet at right angle and one of the diagonal bisect the other. Then diagonal AC bisects diagonal DB at 90-degree angle. At 90-degree angle. Okay. Here the diagonals here BD and AC, both the diagonals are bisecting each other at right angle, at 90-degree angle. So we can say that diagonals meet at a right angles and one of the diagonal bisects the other. Diagonal AC bisects diagonal DB at 90 degree angle. This BD diagonal is being bisected by diagonal AC at right angle at 90 degree angle. Okay, at 90 degree angle. So these are the properties of a kite. You will learn these. So let's try to solve one of the question based on kite. Okay, let's take question number 6 of exercise 11.2. Here you are given the shape of kite. Okay, ABCD is kite here, and angle A and angle C is given to you. Okay, and you are asked to find the angle B and angle D. Here question is find angle B and angle D of the kite ABCD. Find angle B and D of the kite ABCD. As you know, the angles between two unequal sides, is equal. So let angle B be X and angle here D be X. Okay, because we know that the angles between unequal sides of a kite are equal. So let angle B is equal to angle D, because we know that angles between unequal sides are equal in a kite ABCD. So let angle B here, angle B be equal to angle D, and that is equal to X. Take both the angles is equal to X. So by angle sum property, you know कि in a quadrilateral the sum of all the angles, 4 angles, is equal to 360 degree. In a quadrilateral, the sum of all the 4 interior angles is 360 degree. So we will apply this angle sum property here, and we will add all the 4 angles of a kite. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. So angle A is here 88 degree. Here angle A is 88 degree and angle B is X. Angle B is X. Angle B is X. And angle C is, please open your book also, angle C is 64 degree and angle D we have considered it is X. Okay, it is equal to 360 degree. So X plus X will be is equal to 2X. Okay, and 88 degree plus 64 degree will be how much? It is 152 degree, that is equal to 360 degree. Now solve this. This is 2x. Here 2x is equal to, you can write 2x is equal to 360 degree minus 152 degree. Okay, 360 degree minus 152 degree is equal to 208 degree. So X will be is equal to 208 degree divided by 2. How much it is? It is 104 degree. So value of x is equal to 104 degree. So each angle here, angle B and angle D is equal to angle B is equal to angle D is equal to how much? 104 degree. In this way you will solve this problem. Okay. You can complete exercise 11.2. Okay. And please stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, be protected from COVID-19, take care of you, because a good health is wealth. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.